Mangrove trees thrive in saltwater, standing guard at the edge of land and sea. With twisted roots emerging from brackish waters, they absorb waves, mitigate storm surges, and filter pollutants, becoming unsung heroes against coastal erosion and habitat loss. Occupying just 1% of the world's tropical coastal areas, mangrove forests stretch across over 70 countries, offering immense benefits. Their dense foliage nurtures fish species, birds, and countless organisms. Root systems, designed to anchor in shifting soils, protect landscapes while serving as nurseries for marine life. Yet, these ecosystems face unprecedented threats. Urban development, pollution, and climate change jeopardize their future. Rising sea levels and intensified storms challenge their survival, affecting wildlife and human communities alike. Recognizing mangroves' critical role is vital for both nature and humanity. The story of mangroves reveals interconnectedness and resilience. They embody a crucial link between terrestrial and marine environments, thriving amidst life's harshest conditions. Mangroves not only provide shelter from storms but also sustain the livelihoods of nearby communities. Among the labyrinth of roots lives an astonishing array of creatures, including the fiddler crab, known for its unique mating displays, and the mangrove monitor lizard, a master of camouflage. The fiddler crab, particularly the males with one oversized claw, performs a fascinating dance, waving their claws to attract females. This vibrant display is a reminder of nature's intricate courtship rituals in the wild, a testament to both the beauty and harsh realities of survival. Every glance reveals vibrant life within the dense foliage, where calls of various birds resonate among the branches. The gray kingbird swoops through the air, its sharp eyes scanning for insects, while the elusive mangrove cuckoo hides in the shadows, its haunting call echoing across the swamp. The rich tapestry of sound creates a symphony that envelops you, drawing you deeper into this world where every leaf, every rustle, becomes part of a greater narrative. Beneath the surface, microorganisms thrive, breaking down organic material and recycling nutrients crucial to the ecosystem's health. The tidal rhythms of mangrove forests showcase their dance with the ocean, where high tides create serene waters and low tides reveal bustling marine life. Mudskippers leap across exposed mudflats, embodying the unique adaptations of life in this environment. Their ability to move between land and water serves as a reminder of the ever-evolving nature of existence, showcasing an evolutionary triumph over harsh conditions. These brackish waters are also home to the juvenile stages of many economically important fish species. For example, species like snapper and grouper rely on the shelter provided by mangrove roots as they grow, finding refuge from predators while gaining strength to venture into the open sea. As these young fish mature, they carry the health of the entire marine ecosystem with them, forging a vital connection between mangroves and the ocean beyond. Mangroves act as powerful carbon sinks, sequestering carbon at higher rates than terrestrial forests. Their dense roots stabilize coastal soils, capturing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, highlighting their role in combating climate change. According to the United Nations, the carbon stored in mangrove forests is equivalent to the emissions from 1.5 billion cars. The implications of this natural carbon capture are profound, linking the health of these forests to our fight against global warming and the preservation of our planet. Conservation efforts have surged, driven by communities recognizing the importance of preserving these resilient ecosystems. In places like the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world, local populations have engaged in replanting initiatives, a labor of love intertwined with their cultural heritage. Residents share stories passed down through generations, illustrating a deep-rooted understanding of their environment. The echoes of their ancestors resonate through these efforts, reminding them that safeguarding mangroves is not just ecological work, it's a preservation of identity and tradition. Despite their strength, mangrove forests face dire threats. Deforestation and pollution diminish their coverage, endangering biodiversity and compromising coastal protection. In the Caribbean, for instance, studies show that mangrove cover has been reduced by over 50% since the 1970s due to coastal development. the loss impacts not only wildlife but also communities reliant on their resources. Fish stocks dwindle, and storms become more destructive, revealing the fragility of the balance humans have disrupted. Grassroots movements for restoration and sustainable management emerge, blending traditional knowledge with modern science. Consider the effort seen in Honduras, where the community of La Mosquitia has begun a reforestation project after witnessing the diminishing mangrove forests due to unchecked development. They recount tales of times when mangrove waters teemed with life, contrasting sharply with the current state of their shores, now eerily silent. "We remember the fish. When the mangroves thrived, so did we," reflects a local fisherman, his voice tinged with nostalgia. His words serve as a vital reminder that the health of these ecosystems directly influences the livelihoods of those who depend on them. As we navigate through the mangroves, we witness the profound interconnectedness of life. These forests are not just collections of trees, they resonate with the intricate balance of ecosystems that support countless species and provide vital services to humanity. The sounds of life crescendo as the day wanes, urging us to protect these guardians of our coastlines. In the shimmering twilight, every moment spent among the mangroves deepens our reverence for their complexity, reminding us that nature's resilience is a privilege to witness and a responsibility to safeguard. As the sun dips below the horizon, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson, the roots of the mangrove trees stand firm against the encroaching tides, a symbol of tenacity in the face of adversity. The whispers of rustling leaves resonate with the urgency of conservation, echoing a profound truth: we are stewards of this earth, guardians tasked with protecting its treasures. Yet, a staggering 80% of our oceans remain unexplored. What wonders lie beneath the waves? What ecosystems and species are waiting to be unveiled? This vast expanse beckons us to foster curiosity about the marine world. The depths of the ocean hold secrets, from hydrothermal vents spewing superheated water, home to bizarre organisms that thrive in total darkness, to coral reefs that burst with color and life, teeming with myriad species. Each dive into this uncharted territory reveals the intricate threads of life woven through the water, waiting for explorers who dare to unveil them. We must explore, protect, and cherish the blue heart of our planet. In safeguarding our coastlines, we ensure future generations experience the awe of mangrove forests and the ocean's depths. Together, we can embrace the unknown and unveil the extraordinary beyond the horizon. As we reflect on our role in this intricate tapestry of life, let us remember that the fate of mangroves and the health of our oceans are inextricably linked, urging us to tread lightly and act boldly. The echoes of the mangrove remain, igniting a passion for protection and stewardship as we commit to preserving the delicate balance of our ecosystems. For every mangrove preserved, for every coastal community empowered, we weave a stronger fabric of resilience for our planet. In the end, it is not just about protecting mangroves, it is about safeguarding our shared future.